Good morning students. This is Parvati working as a physics teacher in Oxford High School, Uppugunduru. In previous class we learnt how to solve the sum of the problems 18th or 19th and the 8th problem, and in this class we have learned and you have to solve the remaining problems. We have to solve the remaining problems. Open page number 33 in physical science of 10th class. Okay, Nama. See the problem number 21st. All of you see the problem number 21st in the page number 33 of 9th class physical science textbook. All of you open page number 33 and problem number 21 of 9th class physical science textbook. See, a particle covers 10 meters in first 5 seconds and 10 meters in next 3 seconds. Assuming constant acceleration, find initial speed, acceleration and distance covered in next 2 seconds. Now here a particle should travel a distance of 10 meters in the first 5 seconds and again travels 10 meters in next 3 seconds. In this one, the particle is always moves with constant acceleration, that means uniform acceleration. In this one, find out the initial speed, acceleration and distance covered in next 2 seconds. Okay, Nama? All of you look at the board. See the problem number 21st. Problem number 21st, page number 33. Page number 33, problem number 21st. See, a particle covers a distance. Distance travelled by the particle. Distance travelled by the particle. Distance travelled by the particle in 5 seconds is. That means S is equal to distance. S is equal to 10 meters and next time T is equal to 5 seconds. We know very well S is equal to ut plus half at square. Distance travelled by the body in a time t seconds, S is equal to ut plus half at square. S means 100 meters, U means there is no value, amma. Here initial speed, our required value is initial speed and acceleration and distance travelled. Okay, na? Here time is 5 seconds plus half into, there is no acceleration, amma. Here t square means 5 whole square. Okay, na? Here throughout the equation, with the help of 5 2's, 5 1's, sorry. See, 10 is equal to u into 5 plus half into a into 5 square. Okay, na? This one should be written as 10 is equal to 5u plus half into a into 5 square means 25. 5 into 5, 25. Okay, na? 5, 10, 25. These are all the multiples of 5. That's why by using the fifth table, 5 2's, 5 1's, 5 5's. Okay, now here 2 is equal to u plus 5 into a 5a into 1, 5a. Here 5a by 2. Okay, now 5a by 2. Throughout the equation is multiplied with 2. That means 2 into 2. 2 into u plus 2 into 5a by 2. For easily calculation purpose only, throughout the equation is multiplied with 2. Here 2 get cancelled. 2 2's are 4. 2 into u 2u plus 5a. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. See the next equation, amma. Distance travelled by the body is 10 meters. In next 3 seconds, in first 5 seconds, distance is 10 meters. In next 3 seconds, the distance is 10 meters. Okay, na? Now look at the board, see the figure. In first 5 seconds, the distance travelled by the body is equal to 10 meters. In the next 3 seconds, the distance travelled by the body is equal to 10 meters. Here total distance travelled by the body is equal to 20 meters. Total time taken to travel such a distance is 8 meters. Listen carefully. First 10 meters distance travelled by the body. It will taken by the time is equal to 5 seconds, and the next distance is 3 seconds. Here the total distance traveled by the particle is equal to 20, 10 plus 10. And the total time taken by the particle 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 seconds. Okay na? 8 seconds. Here the total distance traveled by the particle is s is equal to 20 meters and next time t is equal to 8 seconds. We know very well s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay Namma? S means 20, u means required value, t means time, 8 plus half into a into t square means 8 whole square. Here 20 is equal to 8 into u, 8u plus half into a into 8 square means 8 into 8, 64. 8 8s are 64. 2 1s, 2 32s. This one should be written as 20, 8u plus 32 into a, 32a. Okay na? Here these are all the multiples of 4. That's why by using the fourth table, okay na amma? Here 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, or 4 8s are 32. Okay na? By using the fourth table, 4 5s, 4 2s, 4 8s are. Here 5 is equal to 2u plus 8a. This is equation number 2. By using 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, we can find out the initial speed and initial acceleration of the particle. Okay na? Here subtract from equation 2 to equation 1. From equation 2 to 1. 2 minus 1. Here equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 means 5 is equal to 2u plus 8a. Equation 1 means 4 is equal to 2u plus 5a. Subtraction means symbols are changed. Already plus symbols is there. Subtraction means symbols are changed. Plus get into the minus. Here minus, minus, minus. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 2u minus 2u both are get cancelled. 8a minus 5a is equal to 3a. Okay na? This one 3a is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1 by 3 meter per second square. Okay na? This is the acceleration of the particle. And then find out the initial speed. Find out the initial speed. Okay Namma? From equation 1, 4 is equal to 2u plus 5a. 4 is equal to 2 into u plus 5 into a means acceleration amma. Acceleration a is equal to 1 by 3. Okay na? Here 4 is equal to 2u plus 5 into 1, 5 by 3. Okay na amma? See the next one. 4 is equal to here plus 5 by 3. Right side of this equation, addition is there amma. This value is coming into the left side of equation. Plus is getting to the minus. Here 4 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 2u. Take the LCM. Okay na? Here 1 comma 3. The LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Take the LCM. The LCM of 1 comma 3 is 3. 1 3s are 3. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Minus 1 into 5 is equal to 2 into u. U means initial speed amma. 3 4s are 12 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 2u. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 7 by 3 is equal to 2u amma. Here right side of this equation 2 is multiplied with the initial speed. This value is getting to the coming into the left side of this equation. Here multiplication is getting to the division. Here 7 by 3 into 2 is equal to u. 7 by 6 is equal to u. Here u is equal to 7 by 6 meter per second. This is for initial speed. Okay, Nama? In this problem, first we have to find out initial speed and initial acceleration. Initial acceleration is equal to 1 by 3 meter per second. And initial speed u is equal to 7 by 6 meter per second. And next, in this one, find out the distance covered in next 2 seconds. And next value is find out the distance covered in the next 2 seconds. Okay, Nama? Find out the distance covered in next 2 seconds. Okay, Nama? Problem is not completed. Only 2 values can be identified, can be measured, and the remaining third value is there. The third value is distance covered in next 2 seconds. Distance covered in next 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Here total time is total time in first 5 seconds plus 3 seconds plus 2 seconds. Total time is 10 seconds amma. Okay, Nama? Total time is 10 seconds. Here s is equal to ut plus half at square. Here s is equal to u means 7 by 6 initial speed. Time means 10 plus half into a means 1 by 3. T square means 10 whole square. Okay, na? Here s is equal to 7 by 6 into 10 plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 3s are 6 into 10 square means 100. Okay, Nama? Here 7 into 10, 70 by 6 plus 100 by 6. Here LCM is 6. 6 ones are 6. 1 into 70, 70 plus 6 ones are 6 and 1 into 100, 100. Okay, na? 170 by 6. Here 6 ones. Here 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 12 with 6 eights are 48. Next 3. Okay, now here distance travelled by the body S is equal to 28.33. We know very well already the distance travelled by the body in 8 seconds is 20 meters. Here the distance travelled by the particle. The distance travelled by the particle in next 2 seconds is 28.33 minus 20. That means 8.33 meters. This is the distance travelled by the particle in next 2 seconds. This already we know the distance travelled by the body in 8 seconds is 20 meters. The distance travelled by the body in 10 seconds is 28.33. Okay, na? Subtracting 28.33 minus 20 meters and remaining value is 8.33 meters. 8.33 meters is the distance travelled by the particle in next 2 seconds. Distance travelled by the particle in next 2 seconds. Okay, Nama? See the next problem. That problem number is 23rd. Already 22 is completed. See the 23rd problem in page number 33. 23rd problem number. 23rd problem in page number 33. 23rd problem in page number 33. 23. See, a man is 40 meters behind a bus which is at rest. Now this is for bus. Okay, na? This is bus. The bus is in rest position. That means the initial speed of bus is equal to 0 meter per second. Okay, na? A man is 40 meters behind a bus. Here a man is there at a distance of 48 meters from the bus. 48 meters from the bus. See Amma, here a man is stand at a distance of 48 meters from the bus. The bus which is at a rest position, that means the initial speed of the bus becomes 0. The bus starts accelerating at the rate of 1 meter per second square. Here after that the bus is starting with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. And next, at the same time, the man starts running with uniform velocity of 10 meter per second square. At the bus start, at the same time, the man is also starts with running with a velocity of 10 meter per second. What is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus? Okay, Namma. Now listen carefully. This is for bus. The bus is at a rest position. A man is standing at a distance of 48 meters from the bus. In this situation, the bus is initially at rest. That means the initial speed of bus becomes 0. After that, the bus is moving with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. At the same time, the man is also starts with running with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Okay, na? In this one, find out the time taken by the man. Okay, na, Amma? Find out here the minimum time, not maximum time, Amma. In this one, find out the minimum time taken by the man to catch the bus. Okay, na? Find out the minimum time to catch the bus. See, na? Given that, this is the diagram for regarding this problem, Amma. This is diagram. Okay, now given that here initial speed of bus is equal to initial speed of bus is equal to u is equal to 0 meter per second. Moving with an acceleration of a bus. Acceleration of a bus. Now look at the board. Here, these are I wrote the information regarding bus. This is for bus. Okay, now initial speed of bus u is equal to 0 meter per second, and next acceleration of a bus a is equal to 1 meter per second square. Okay, now in these situations, find out the distance travelled by the bus. Here, distance travelled by the bus. Distance travelled by the bus. Here, in a time interval t. In time t seconds. Here, distance travelled by the bus formula s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, now, Amma? S means SB. B prefers bus. B indicates bus. Distance travelled by the bus is equal to initial speed of the bus becomes 0 into t plus half into, here the acceleration of bus is equal to 1 into t square. Here distance travelled by the bus SB is equal to 0 into t 0 plus half into 1 t square is equal to t square. Here SB is equal to half t square. Distance travelled by the bus SB is equal to half t square. Okay, Nama? Here in this case, man. In this case, man. Here, the initial speed of man is equal to initial speed of man is equal to u is equal to 10 meter per second. In this one, the distance travelled by the man is equal to, here to travel the distance of 48 meters and again to catch the bus. Okay, now here the distance travelled by the man. The distance travelled by the man is equal to S man. SM indicates the distance travelled by the man, Amma, is equal to ut plus half at square. Here S man is equal to ut means 10 into t plus half into a means, here the see, Amma, here a man is running with uniform velocity of 10 meter per second square, Amma. Here distance travelled by the man, Sm is equal to ut plus half half a t square. In this one the acceleration becomes 0. Acceleration becomes 0. That means the man is moving with a uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. We know very well acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. In this one, the man is moving with a uniform speed. Okay, na amma? Uniform speed or uniform velocity. Uniform speed or uniform velocity, amma. Here uniform means initial velocity becomes 10 meter per second. Final velocity 10 meter per second. That means the total value becomes here 10 minus 10 by t. Here 0 by t is equal to 0. And the total value becomes 0, amma. Okay, na? Here a is equal to 0 because man moving with moving uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. Okay, now ma? Uniform velocity. Here distance travelled by the man Sm is equal to 10t. Okay, na? And next one, find out what is the minimum time to travel to catch the bus. The distance travelled by the man to catch the bus. How much time should be taken? Okay, now ma? See that? The time taken by the man to catch the bus. To catch the bus is here the distance travelled by the man is equal to 48 plus distance travelled by the bus. See amma, here this is for bus. Distance between the man and bus is 48 meters. Here this is man. The distance travelled by the man to catch the bus is distance travelled by the man is equal to 48 plus distance travelled by the bus. Here 10t is equal to 48 plus SB means half t square, amma. Okay, na? Here throughout the equation is multiplied with 2. Multiplied above equation with 2. Okay, Nama? Here 2 into 10t is equal to 2 into 48 plus 2 into half t square. Here 2 get cancelled. 2 into 10t, 20t is equal to 96. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 96 plus t square. This one should be written as t square plus 96 is equal to 20t. Here t square minus 20t plus 96 is equal to 0. Do the factorization. T square minus 22 plus 96 is equal to 0. After that, do the factorization, amma. Do the factorization. T square, first 96. To the LCM, 2 48s, 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6, 2 3s. Okay, na? Here 12t minus 8t plus 96 is equal to 0. Minus 12t minus 8t is equal to minus 20t. 12 8s are 96. Okay, now ma? Here from this equation t is a common out. Here t minus 12. Here minus 8 is common out. T minus 12 is equal to 0. After that, look at the board. After that, here t into t minus 12 minus 8 into t minus 12. Here t minus 12 is common out. T minus 12 into t minus 8 is equal to 0. After that, t minus 12 is equal to 0 or t minus 8 is equal to 0. That means t is equal to 12 or t is equal to 8. What they are asked? They are asked what is the minimum time what is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus. Therefore, the time taken by the man to catch the bus is 8 seconds. Okay, Nama? The time taken by the man to catch the bus is 8 seconds. Okay? See Amma? In the problem number 23, first we have to find out distance travelled by the bus and then distance travelled by the man. By using that two equations, we can find out the minimum time taken by the man to catch the bus. Okay, now Amma? Up to now, in this class, we have discussed the two problems. That is the 21st problem and 23rd problem. These two are discussed in this session, Amma. Okay, now? Thank you.